Bonnie Kamau, a name now etched in Kenya's betting folklore, was announced as the lucky winner of the SportPesa Mega Jackpot, taking home a jaw-dropping amount of money summing up to 424,616,680 Kenyan shillings. Yes, over 424 million Kenyan shillings from just a bet of 99 Kenyan shillings. This staggering win shattered the previous national record of around 230 million Kenyan shillings held by Gordon Ogada since 2018, making Bonnie the biggest jackpot winner in Kenyan history to date. The announcement was made through SportPesa Kenya's official X account, formerly Twitter, and blog, sending shockwaves across social media platforms. The reactions, wild, disbelieving, and absolutely viral. As expected, speculations followed. Could SportPesa really pay such a large amount of money instantly? Their response was swift and bold. Hapa malipo ni instant. But that didn't stop the chatter. Some whispered about having inside connections. Others credited divine interventions. But one viral reply summed it up perfectly and said, when the hand of God locates you, there are no boundaries, which is true, by the way. Kenyans quickly crowned him with nicknames like Bonnie 424 and Mount Kenya's chosen one. The memes, unstoppable. One internet user hilariously compared it to a past win, saying, Lakeside scored 1 goal and won 1 million, but Mount Kenya used 99 shillings and won 424 million. Ikikupita, it's up to you. Meanwhile, SportPesa's own social media admin summed up the shock best posting, admin team hatuna maneno, mikono inashek mbaya. This wasn't just a win, it was a cultural earthquake. Bonnie's jackpot has reunited the nation's obsession with fortune, luck, and possibility. But now, all eyes are on Bonnie Kamau Kama Tupac. What will he do next? Will he invest, donate, disappear, transform his community? What will you do with over 424 million Kenyan shillings? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive updates on stories that shape the culture. You've been watching GTN Africa, where the stories are bold, the truth is loud, and the culture speaks for itself. From the streets to the screens, from jackpots to jaw-dropping headlines, we bring you the pulse of the people. If this story shook you even half as much as Bonnie shook Kenya's economy, then you already know what to do. Like, comment your take, and subscribe to our channel and follow us, because here we don't just report the news, we make it matter. It's Nikki. Until next time, stay loud, stay proud, stay Africa.